What's up, guys? Mobsling here. Today, Mark came back yesterday. I know I didn't record yesterday because I wanted to. Like my dad said, we're doing a fire, but it was like Mark came back really late, so we canceled it. So yeah, sorry about that, but I could still say the streak is still going because remember the day before we did 2 videos, and before that we did 2 more videos too. So yeah, I still have a spare day, so I could take a day off whenever I want. So today I'm doing 2. I'm gonna do a hot pepper challenge today, and today I'm gonna do a new video. Yeah, so it's gonna be a prank. Pulling on my dad. Mark does not want to record it, so it's gonna be pretty hard to record. It's gonna be really hard to record because Mark doesn't want to record it. Yeah, so let's get straight to it, guys. I need to be quiet. So my dad's currently downstairs, but how will I film this? Why is the screen blurry? Yeah. Why is it blurry? Hello? Okay, we're back. Okay, so you see, like I got on iTunes the air horn ringtone. So like I'm not buying it, I'm just clicking on it. Okay, let's go from out here. Mark, can you open the door for me? Yep, okay, Mark's being a nub right now. Oh, how should I do this? Yeah, I'm gonna do it like this. Okay, open. This door is so hard to open. You have to like click it 3 times. Yeah. Come on. Maybe this way? Yes, I got it. Good. Okay, we need to be really quiet here. Because my dad is right there. I don't want him to see us. Okay, guys, so I'm going to stop talking for now. And I'm going to try to hide my phone, okay? The camera's over here, okay? I'm just going to put it here. Okay, guys, get ready. Okay. Okay, so, I have an idea. So I'm gonna go through the bottom, and I'm gonna run through the bottom and just turn it on. Okay? So I'm gonna run through the bottom. I'm not gonna I gotta scare him or something. I'm probably gonna scare him because of the real loud sound. Okay. Quiet. Please be quiet. Okay, let's go. Get good ready. It worked! Okay, so what about this? This is a different one. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, yeah, guys. So yeah, that's gonna pretty much wrap up the video, guys. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Double troll. Okay, yeah, okay, that was good. But this video is a little short for a MSGB video, and you know what that means. Okay, let's go prank her. We need one more person to prank. Okay, we need the loudest one. Maybe this one? We'll see, we'll come back to that one. Same one. Maybe that one. No, definitely not that one. Come on. The internet here is terrible. I think we might go with the definitely going with the classic. Okay, I think they're upstairs. Okay, we need to be quiet, guys. Okay. We're upstairs. Okay, let's go. Maybe they left. They probably left. But they're there. Let's see. No, are they at the very top? I don't know. They probably left. This thing's so squeaky and it's really old. So I need to be really careful, careful. Oh, that one's cracked. Step over that one. Come on. Quiet, quiet, quiet. Mark's right behind me. Are they here? Are they here? Okay, so. Okay, guys, they're not here. Let's just prank the neighborhood then. Bad thing I don't have speakers. Oh my god, this is the guy sitting out there. Oh, there's someone sitting down there. Okay, what else should we do? Who else should we prank? They're on the left. Let's see, who should we prank? Let's prank Mark. Yep.
Just searching sound effects. FX. Let's just do FX because I'm lazy. FX. Boom. Okay.
Okay, no, that hurt. He just terrorized me. Okay, let's go down. Done. What else should we do in this video? Anything in the fridge? No. Here? No. Let's make some slush. Yeah, let's make some slush. I love slush. So, like, we're gonna make ice cream. We're gonna make the ice cream, but without anything, just plain water. So it's that will be slush. So yeah, and can't open it. Oh, open it. Yeah. We can put it right over here. Yeah, I can do that. And leave it there for a little and we will be right back, guys. So while the slush is in progress, I'm gonna go prank my dad again with the air horn. He's currently working and Mark said he'll film for me. So okay, I hope this works. Let's do this. Okay. Let's go. Just like turn it on and just slide it in there. little bit. I'm making ice cream. I'm making slush, I mean. Let me try it. They're like cold stuff. I made it! No. You didn't make it. Oh. Okay then. Checking in on it right now. Please don't say this is what I'm thinking happened. Okay, so. Okay, good. I thought there's like empty and all of that side. Okay, good. Break it up a little. So, yeah. Let's break up the ice. Then we'll put it back, guys. We're going to a restaurant right now. So I left the ice there. And so it's probably going to be like frozen solid fully. Oh, kitty. Kitty number 1. And where's kitty number 2? It's somewhere here. Oh, there it is. There's kitty number 2. Yeah, where is it? Yeah, okay, it's over there. And kitty number 3 is somewhere over there. Yeah, good. And yeah, so the ice is probably like frozen solid already. So we're here, and the restaurant's somewhere over there, I'm pretty sure. This place is pretty weird. It's like, look at that. Yeah, so going to the restaurant right now. You're like, yep, restaurant. And again, I'm not using the stabilizer. What? There is? Where?
Look, there's like a blackboard.
Yeah, yay, Wi-Fi zone. Okay, that's pretty cool. It's like so. This looks so weird.
Да, что происходит?
And check signs here and stuff. Oh my god. He's right over there. Whoa, that's it's really weird. What? Nemo! Look. Whoa. Oh my god, they're huge. Oh, it's aquarium. And Nemo! There's Nemo. Nemo.
Там холодно. Ну, не холоднее, чем тут. Возьмите кофту, пойдите, я вам кофту взяла. Ребята.
Мне не нужна кофта.
Yeah. You sit somewhere here. Be right back. Yeah. Okay, so we're back. I never cleaned this table. Okay, guys, so we're back from the restaurant. So, that's what happened. Our ice is obviously frozen solid. And this also happened. In the freezer, it cracked. But this is so cool. Hashtag oddly satisfying. Look at that. Oh, no. No, that's so good. Okay, so. Oh, I just been playing nice. So, this is what we're gonna do. Let's maybe get another spoon or something. Knife just in case. So we got another spoon and a knife just in case. I want to push this thing out. Oh, that's not gonna work. We can do this. First, we need to get that spoon out. It's probably gonna crack. Okay, I'm really nervous. It's like either break the cup, either break the spoon, either break. Well, I could break guys definitely, but I want to break guys. I actually want to break guys. Alright, so we made plain ice. Okay, so don't leave it in there for too long, because this will happen. Plus, I prefer, I recommend you doing it with plastic, because glass or ceramic can really easily just break because of the cold. Like, really easily. Chipping away at it. Oh, it's in my eyes. It's in my eyes. Oh, God. It's a butter knife. This is a butter knife. Oh, that works. Just chipping away at it. I'm gonna leave the rest for the freezer into tomorrow. I'm gonna leave the rest for tomorrow. I'm just gonna put it over here so it'll fly to me. I have an idea. It's probably more safer to do over there. Let's put the camera here. And I'm gonna move the camera here. Okay, it's moving. It's moving. Okay. Okay, so you have to be able to see everything. Because nobody's like, see, I'm doing this video by myself. So Mark's currently downstairs. So let's see if you can see everything. I don't know, maybe. So up a little. Yeah, that seems good. Okay, so it's good because like that's like a wood table. This is I have no idea, stone, whatever. Like it's gonna melt and like around it, it's just gonna pop off. That's what we did when we made ice with Mark, but like we didn't record it. We just did it for fun before the video streak when we started. When I started. And by the way, Mark doesn't really want to record a lot anymore, so a lot of these videos are gonna be just me. Mark's kind of gonna be like a guest, like coming in sometimes. Oh, and guys, by the way, I'm gonna give you a sneak peek. Well, not kind of a sneak peek. I'm gonna tell you something. So we have I made a parody of a song. It's a YouTube song, has 100 million views, and I'm not gonna tell you what it is. So, like, when we come back in a few weeks, actually, we're almost there. We're gonna find the time, and me and Logan, maybe Mark will do a music video parody. So, yeah. So be ready for that. And oh, I forgot to mention, I checked like today. Okay, Lego. Not Lego, but stacking a bunch of books got 5 likes. Guys. So okay, this is what we're gonna do. If you want stacking a bunch of stuff on top of each other to be a series, one of you in the comments has to say has to say that like you want it to be a series. Like one of you go in the comments and say that you want it to be a series. If I see one comment like that, that means it's gonna be a series. I'm gonna stack a bunch of random stuff on top of each other. Maybe just like the time lapse idea. I don't know. Lollipop, lollipop. This thing's huge. It's getting there. I really want to take it out. I really want to take it out. I really do. It's gonna be sick if I take it out. I can kind of like just like chip it off over here. So it's gonna change. It's not gonna change anything if it just chips it. It's not gonna change anything. Ah. It's in my eye. It's probably really dangerous to do it again. Okay, that's it. I'm just gonna put hot water. Guys, you can't see me for now. I'm putting hot water. Okay, let it get hotter. Okay, this water's not hot. Okay, I didn't put it on yet. It's just here. Okay, I'm warming it up. Warm. Okay. Just a little bit. Okay. Okay, it's pretty warm. Okay. Oh. Okay, good. I dumped some warmish water there. Okay. Yeah, some of it's gone. Some of it's already gone. That's a good sign. Or a bad sign. Oh, dang it, I cracked the rest. I cracked it again. Like, big time. That probably wasn't me. That probably was the water and ice, and it cracked it. It's like hot, if you put hot with cold, it will crack. It is a ginormous chance of a crack. It's moving. It's definitely moving, guys. Look. It's stuck. Yes. Yes. It's almost there, guys. Come on. I'm just gonna like walk around with this eating it like a lollipop. Yes! Challenge accepted. Lollipop. I'd like to thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see you guys